Welcome to Pocket Woman Lockpicking and Locksport. Today we are doing two things. One is we are entering a giveaway and we are doing a shout out for a Left Hand Loki. Left Hand Loki's got a series going featuring monoblocks, calling it Monoblock Monday. But they're also throwing in a giveaway so you can win a monoblock each week for 4 weeks. At Left Hand Loki. That's all you have to do. Do a video, picking a lock, and at Left Hand Loki in your title. Now, originally you needed to pick a monoblock, but if you're like me and don't have any monoblocks, then you couldn't enter. But Left Hand Loki has modified the rules, and we can now pick any lock. So what's a monoblock? I hear you ask. Well, a monoblock is one of these things. They're big, they're chunky, they've got a big bolt that comes out like that. They can be bypassed quite easily. They're fun to pick. They're interesting to try and gut. And all of those things Left Hand Loki can do and answer all your questions and show you. So let's have a little listen to the original giveaway video.
So, as I had said before, today is going to be the first of four monoblock Mondays. The first block I'm going to do a video about today, and then giveaway is going to be this UGR. So, if you want to enter monoblock Monday,
you need to watch the video that I'm linking in the description below. That'll tell you all about how to enter. So I'd like you to head on over to Left Hand Loki, show him some love, and support the new series giveaway. Now, the lock that I'm going to attempt to pick today is a big chunky, because monolocks are big and chunky, so I thought I'll pick a big and chunky lock. And the lock I've chosen is this beautiful big Cisa, made in Italy, big chunky heavy brass 220/50, given to me by Don's Locks. Thank you very much, Don's. This is the key, very nice key. That's the bitting, 2 high cuts and some low cuts, and what an awesome snap, just gorgeous. That's the keyway. Let's get into it. I'm going to go top of the keyway. And I'm going to hold it like that. Like that. Maybe like that. And going in with a Lock tools in a bone yoke from Bare Bones handle. Love the bone yoke. So let's just put some tension on and find out what needs to be picking. Something at the back. 5, 4, maybe 1. Okay, false set. 3. Maybe 2. Oh, what's happening? Let's go down the back. Go back through, do some little jiggles. See what's left. Okay, being very cautious not to overset here, but I think I have. Let's see if we still got anyone that wants to play in there. Okay, dip a full set. That's me fighting with the warding. Okay, lots of counter rotation and false setting. Oh, and dancing. I think I got it. Whoa, awesome. What a snap. So check out Left Hand Low Key, Monoblock Monday. Support the series. Hashtag it Monoblock Monday in your video and at Left Hand Low Key in your video. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.